In this video, we'll demonstrate the process of changing your chat theme on Instagram Threads in just a few easy steps. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you follow these steps, you can set your desired chat themes for your friends and loved ones. To start, open your device's App Store, the App Store for iPhone users or the Google Play Store for Android users. Search for Instagram in the App Store and ensure that your Instagram app is up to date. If you see Open instead of Update, you're all set. If not, update the app to the latest version. Launch Instagram and click on the Direct Messages icon in the top right corner to access the chat where you want to change the theme. Click on the name at the top of the chat screen. This will take you to a new page where you can customize the chat. As we progress through each step, I encourage you to join our channel as a member to support our content creation journey. Your support is what allows us to bring you high-quality videos like this one. Now, look for the theme option, which is just below the options under the username of the person you're chatting with. Click on it to reveal a list of theme choices. Pick your preferred theme. Keep in mind that this change will also be visible to the other person in the chat. If you can't find the theme option, follow these steps. Return to your home screen. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Access the menu by tapping the three bars in the top right corner. Select Settings. Tap on Help. In the Help section, click on Report a Problem. Choose Don't Include and select Screenshot. Capture a screenshot to demonstrate that the theme option isn't appearing. Return to the Help section and describe your issue, e.g., "My themes aren't showing up, please help." Then, click the Send option in the top right corner. Instagram's support team should respond within a few days to assist with resolving the issue. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change your Instagram chat theme. Now, go ahead and personalize your chats on Instagram by following these simple steps. Enjoy the new look. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.